देखो दोस्तों, मैंने भी पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया है।
वेरी गुड मोंटू। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं मोशन इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन अंडर द ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स कॉल्ड मैकेनिक्स। मैकेनिक्स डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन रेस्ट एंड इन मोशन। स्टैटिक्स, स्टडी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स एट रेस्ट और इन इक्विलिब्रियम। काइनेमैटिक्स, स्टडी ऑफ मोशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स विदाउट कंसीडरिंग द कॉज ऑफ मोशन। एंड इन डायनामिक्स, स्टडी ऑफ मोशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स by considering the cause of it. An object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with time and with respect to its surrounding. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time with respect to its surrounding. Coming on to one-dimensional motion, it is a motion which travels in a straight line. It is also called as rectilinear or linear motion. जब ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज डिस्टेंस से बहुत छोटा होता है तो हम ऑब्जेक्ट को पॉइंट मास समझते हैं।
पर मैम, मैं पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे बनूं? मैं तो इतना मोटा हूँ।
बेटा, फिजिक्स में तुम भी एक बिंदु हो, टेंशन मत लो। मान लो ये हमारा छोटा सा मोंटू जा रहा है अपने घर से स्कूल तक। The total path which Montu covers from his home to the school, regardless of its initial and the final point, is the distance. And the shortest length between his school and home is the displacement, which depends on the initial and the final point. Let's differentiate distance and displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity, which means it has only a magnitude, while displacement is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude as well as directions. Distance depends on the path taken, whereas displacement does not depend on the path taken. The value can always be positive for distance, while the displacement's value can be positive, negative, or even zero. Distance is always greater or equal to the displacements.
देखो मेरी स्पीड कितनी अधिक है।
तो चलो बात करते हैं स्पीड और वेलोसिटी के बारे में। स्पीड, distance covered per unit time, and it is a scalar quantity. It can always be positive, it cannot be negative. It is classified into uniform and non-uniform. Uniform speeds means the object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, whereas non-uniform speed means the object does not cover equal distance in equal intervals of time. Instantaneous speed, it is a speed at a particular instant. Average speed is calculated by total distance by total time. Velocity is the displacement covered in a particular time. It is calculated by displacement upon time. Acceleration, the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. It is also a vector quantity, which means it has magnitude and direction. Types of acceleration. Uniform acceleration, where the velocity changes in equal intervals of time. Average acceleration is change in velocity in a given interval of time. Instantaneous acceleration is the change in velocity in a particular instant. Positive acceleration and negative acceleration. If the velocity increases with time, then we call it as positive acceleration. If the velocity decreases with time, it's called as negative acceleration. It is also called as retardation and deceleration. Now let's relate acceleration, velocity using equations of motion. These equations of motion are only applicable for constant acceleration. First equation, v is equals to u plus at, where v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is acceleration, and t is time. Second equation of motion, s is equals to ud plus half ad square, where s is displacement. Distance travelled in nth second is given by Sn is equals to q half a times of 2n minus 1. Third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. The equations of motions are only applicable for constant acceleration. These equations are derived using calculus, integration, and differentiation. Here are the vector form of equation of motions. Motion graphs. First is the displacement and time graphs. Velocity time graphs. Here are some keynotes for graphs. Slope of the displacement time graph gives velocity. Slope of velocity time graph gives acceleration. Area under the velocity time graph gives displacement. Area under speed time graph gives distance. Montu, खिड़की में देखो, तुम्हें लग रहा होगा कि पेड़ चल रहे हैं. This is because relative velocity or relative motion. Relative velocity of a with respect to b is given as velocity of a minus velocity of b. A case in a straight line of relative velocity. If both objects move in same direction, the relative velocity is equals to the difference in the speed. तो बच्चों, आज हमने सीखा कि सीधी लाइन में चलना इतना भी सीधा नहीं होता।
मैम, मेरी तो सीधी लाइन zigzag बन गई।